Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to take 5 2x4s and turn it into an outdoor chair for deep seat cushions. Okay, so this is the chair and it's using a deep seat cushion. I actually bought this set at Lowe's. It's 24 by 24 or 25 by 25, 5 inches thick. It's all 2x4s with the exception of a 2x2 on the top. It's all very simple construction. Anybody can do it. It takes about an hour to build each chair. It's very sturdy and well constructed. It's heavy enough that it's not going to blow away in the wind, but it's light enough that you can pick it up and move it around. It's refinishable. Just a great project. I foresee lots of these built. So let's get into the build. I reclaimed some cedar 2x4s a while back, so I'm going to use that to build this project. I cut everything using my miter saw. You can also use a circular saw or a chop saw. The plans have a detailed cut list and you can fit everything on 5 2x4s. The seat stringer is cut at an angle for comfort. I set my saw at a 5-degree and then just cut it long point to short point so that the end cuts are parallel. This is really easy to do. Now time to assemble. So I recommend assembling each of the arm sets first. You'll attach the top armrest to 2 legs and then the seat stringer at an angle across. This is all detailed in the plans. I'm using these 3-inch self-tapping screws that you don't have to pre-drill. I do recommend using a hammer drill. The second arm needs to be built in mirror, so the easiest way to do it is just build it right on top of the first arm. That way the seat stringer is all lined up and everything is in the exact position. Then you can just take the two, pull them apart, and you can see the chair is already coming together. For the front apron, I just set it on some blocks and screwed it from the outsides. Now I'm going to start working on the seat slats. I just measured back the depth of my cushion and attached the back seat slat in place. It was really nice to have an extra hand here. And then I just filled in the remaining seat slats. Now for the back of the chair, the best way to attach it is with pocket holes. So this is just a Craig jig on the 1.5-inch setting. I'm just going to set that there and then attach it with pocket hole screws. You can also use the self-tapping screws, the 3-inch long ones. It's going to be a little bit tricky, but it is possible. Now the slanted backrest. I just held that in position and then screwed it from the outside and then went ahead and attached it at the back. And then finally the 2x2 at the top, I just screwed that on. This is the most ridiculously easy chair to make. Okay, you guys watched it happen. Now it's your turn. The plans are free. Just click the link in the description and download them. Thanks for watching.